Good afternoon, or good morning, good evening, depends when you're watching. It's afternoon here, and today we've got a 2016 VF SV6 Commodore. It's a LFX 3.6 V6 sedan, and the build date on it exactly is, upside down, is 14th of the 12th, 16. It's done 8,053 kilometres. I'll have to hook the battery up so you can have a quick look at that. Slight modification to the front, a tap, but plenty of stuff on it, dripping. In here you can see the mileage there, 8,053. It's got a sat nav, nice interior. It's got the black suede leather trim. Automatic, as I said. On the rear there, put it back up, very clean. 8,000 k's, you'd expect that. We've got 4 good doors, got a nice set of wheels on it, no marks on the rims, Bridgestone Potenza tyres. It's the LFX 3.6 engine. You go walk around, another rim there. 4 good doors, one door's got a tiny ding on the rear door there. In there, in here. Pop this so we get in the boot. This has a brand new unused spare in there. There's a spare in there. A there as well. Have not. Good tail lights, good rear bar. Spare and toolkit in there. Perfect rear bar for the SV6. The boot lid, lip spoiler. And there it is. One VF SV6 for wrecking. So if you need any parts, give us a call. I don't need it turned off and start it up. Give us a call on 02 46 46 1733. Thanks for watching. Bye.